Is your ITR14 return verification or audit ready? SARS is tightening the net, and company tax returns are under more scrutiny than ever. The ITR14 is no longer just a form. It's a declaration of your company's tax integrity. And if it's not prepared with care, it becomes a target. I'm Marita Jordan, Chartered Tax Advisor and founder of Tax Fanatics. Join me for a practical webinar where I will unpack the real-world challenges that practitioners face when preparing and submitting company tax returns. And I'll provide actionable solutions that will help you stay compliant and confidently navigate SARS scrutiny. In this session, you will learn how to build a detailed tax pack that supports the information on the return. You will also learn how to reconcile your ITR14 return to your financial statements. Then we will also identify high-risk disclosures and understand what SARS looks at beyond the form, like group structures, shareholder info, and related party transactions. Tax compliance isn't just about what you declare. It's about how you prepare. This session isn't just about theory. It's real, practical guidance you can implement right away. So join me for the solution-focused webinar and take control of your ITR14 process before SARS takes control of it for you.